If you want to win yourself one of these amazing animated Dogelon Mars NFTs, drop a comment below, drop a like on this video, and be subscribed. I will be making an announcement very soon. Enjoy the video. What is up, Elon holders? Welcome back, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another update on the Dogelon Mars token. And we know that as none other than ticker symbol Elon. I do gotta let you know, I am not a financial advisor, never WhatsApp anybody in my comments, but do remember to drop a big like on this video. It is gonna help get exposure on the Dogelon Mars project, the Dogelon Mars mission, and most importantly, the Dogelon Mars community. Also, do consider subscribing, as it is gonna keep you up to date on the latest Dogelon Mars news. And you can even win yourself some NFTs just like these ones. This is my new up and coming collection. This is the best collection I feel that I have ever put out. I'm very excited to launch. We are actually going to be launching January 6th, 3 p.m. UTC. Do follow the links in the description if you are interested in more details. But there is a coin that does go with this project as well. And it is doing really well. I mean, it has been performing really well. 100% of this token has been pooled at launch, so it is a fair project for everybody who is involved. But since its birthday, which was about 14 days ago, it does look like 15 days ago, but still climbing considerably in market cap, sitting just under 28,000, total liquidity sitting about $15,000, which is great to see. It does make this project 100% completely liquid and an up and coming project. You can find it on Finance and Crodex. Use the links in the description. Let's get into the day. We are currently ranked 129 right now. Dogelon Mars is looking good, up just under 1% today. 602943, holding really strong. Holding really strong. I'm going to have to say that 3.3 million traded over the last 24 hours. We do know a big provider of that does come out of centralized exchanges. Decentralized exchanges does account for pretty low volume, 110,000 traded over the last 24 hours. Overall market cap though is looking pretty healthy, $162 million market cap. Trading a bit sideways on the day. We actually are up on the day though, so pretty good to see. Close to being up on the week. We are up a bit on the 1 month, and we are up a bit on the 3 month. Volume is rolling in though. You see, we do have a thick line of volume here, so this is definitely very nice to see as the volume does continue to come in. We do know that it is more than it has been in the last few days, so very, very great to see at least nice volume coming in. If we look at more info though, we do have a nice holder count, 145,758 holders. Wow, welcome all new holders. Looking at market confidence, it does appear that holders are extremely confident in the market. We do have a few moderates here coming out of smaller exchanges, but across the top major exchanges, we do have high consumer confidence, and this is great to see. We do know top centralized exchange right now is going to be KuCoin. They are providing quite a bit of volume, and then decentralized exchange is coming in at Uniswap, so pretty cool. Gemini coming in number 6. Very good information to know. If we head on over to Investor Observer, we do have in I will refresh that so we do get a up-to-date score, but it is scoring at 26 right now. It was scoring in the 90s earlier this morning, so things have flipped a bit, but overall sentiment is bullish. So are we going to see some nice movement going in the near term? I definitely hope so. Looking at our overall risk gauge is looking greener than it is neutral, so very, very good stuff. We are overall crypto sentiment is neutral, up 0.49%, and Dogelon Mars is outperforming that at 0.54%. So good stuff to see. Definitely excited to see going into the future. Coin Codex does appear to be bullish going into the next few days. It does look like 5-day price prediction. They are expecting a 603249. 1 month prediction is 603416. and 603327 the next 3 months, and 1 year and 6 months they are expecting things to get juicy. So it looks like a cap here would be 506376. 1 billion Dogelon Mars would be worth about $6,376 USD. Very, very exciting stuff. Now I want to thank you guys all as well. I did launch my new collection for the Dogelon Mars science team as well. 100% of the royalties of this project is going to be donated to the Methuselah Foundation. You can check it out on Opensea. But we're very happy to announce that we did sell out the day that we launched, and things are looking good. We do have 18% listed, and hopefully we can make a difference in the world with this collection. I'm very excited to make this collection. Now, we did get an article, Time the Market, Ways to Approach Investing in 2023, and we are very close to 2023, so I felt it very relevant to bring this into this video for you guys. Hopefully we can see how we should be looking at things with the up and coming macroeconomic factors that we do have. After a challenging year, should investors still consider investing in crypto in 2023? Let's find out. We do know 2022 was brutal for cryptocurrencies and non-fungible token investors. Bitcoin hits its yearly low on November 21st, almost exactly a year after it reached its all-time high of $69,044. After such a tumultuous year, how should crypto investors plan for 2023? So yes, macroeconomic risk. Obviously, we definitely got to take into consideration the war in Ukraine, inflation, and rising interest rates. So if we do take a look at the map, it does look like inflation in the last 5 years has been growing tremendously. And I'm sure we all know this. I'm sure if you guys are in crypto, you guys realize that yes, inflation has been at all-time highs for a long time. Crypto contagion, we still do have the crypto contagion in the FTX, and we do have regulatory pressures as well as minor capitulation. So we do have some things that do lead to the downward action of the crypto prices right now. But is this an opportunity? I don't think that as a intelligent investor that we want to be buying in when all of these people are buying in. I mean, this seems to be the absolute time to start at least looking at things and looking at a possible dollar cost averaging through your position. If you don't know what dollar cost averaging is, it just basically takes all of the guesswork out of timing the market, and instead of trying to buy at a bottom, you just buy consistently, and you buy consistently through bottoms and highs and lows, and eventually end up with a good market price. That is the idea. That is how it is supposed to work. It doesn't work like that 100% of the time. So making sure that you have a disciplined dollar cost averaging strategy is probably one of the best things that you can do for yourself going into 2023 as well. Smart investing in 2023. This section is not pumping cryptocurrencies or projects. It offers general strategy for smart investment that can mitigate risk and limit losses. So allocating a percentage of your portfolio to blue chip currencies, it's definitely going to be one of the biggest hitters as well. Making sure you guys have some Bitcoin, some Ethereum to hedge against all of your degen plays is probably a great idea as well. Layer 1 and layer 2 blockchains is going to be huge in the next coming narrative. It's definitely expected to be huge is what I mean. The next step towards investing in riskier assets is researching layer 1 and layer 2 blockchains, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. It might be worth spreading exposure across blockchains that have survived at least one bear market and are looking at blockchains that sound promising. So we do have some here. We do know Solana, Avalanche, Polkadot, Cardano, and the newest to the family is Aptos. That one was just launched just a few months ago, and very, very good stuff. Definitely worth taking a look. Polygon is going to be a big one that's not labeled on here. I would definitely take a look at Polygon Matic as well. Airdrops, it is hard to forget that Ethereum name service and ApeCoin airdrops in the last cycle, more recently Aptos airdrop. The Web3 space is filled with new, often credible projects. Projects need an army of people to test their products. Investors can get involved in projects early to be eligible for an airdrop when they have a token been launched. So something to keep an eye out. Look for these early projects. I will try my best to keep these on your radar as well. DeFi projects on Ethereum used airdrops extensively in the previous cycle. There are no reasons to think that there won't be the case this time. 2023 promises to be a year with many new projects being tested. History rhymes. Many exponential gain patterns emerged in the previous cycle. Watch out for similar themes in the cycle. ENS domains were a big hit in the last cycle. As decentralized name services became more popular, it might be worth watching projects developing their own. DeFi had an excellent run in the last cycle. GameFi and Metaverse tokens also performed well. DeFi and GameFi could grow in the next big thing in the next few years. Another thing is SocialFi. This is a little bit more new. Has taken off in the last few months with several promising projects emerging. This could be another ENS like opportunity for the next cycle. I'm definitely going to have to agree. I do find SocialFi to be another huge narrative that will be leading in 2023. Follow the smart money. This rule of thumb doesn't always work, but it can be the right amount of due diligence. It is worth keeping an eye on the investment choice of venture capitalist funds like A16Z, Sequoia Capital, Solana Ventures, Coinbase Ventures, and others. They don't always make the right choices, but their portfolios could be an excellent place to start and refine down to a few good investment candidates. However, investing in new names that are application tier projects is generally smarter after crypto markets have bottomed and recovered in anticipation of the next bull run. There is no secret sauce to making millions in the crypto space. The general approach should be to buy low and sell high. Therefore, 2023 is not a bad time to start as market prices are low. Gonna have to agree there. I'm definitely gonna have to agree there. We do have a lot of things going on in the world right now, but are these posing as opportunities, and will these last forever? I don't think so. So I definitely think that there is a lot of opportunity out there, and I don't think that we are going to be going down forever. I mean, it's just going to be a matter of how much do you really believe in the crypto space. So we have a lot of good things going on. I hope that we can make some intelligent choices going into 2023, become stronger investors, and most of all, make some money. So I thank each and every one of you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will catch you in the next one.